G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew. Today on this video, some of the accessories that I got in for the Can-Am Defender is I ordered the front fenders individually because I didn't want the ones on the box in the back. So let's get these installed. Super simple by the look of it. You get these screws, the factory screws here. They're not cheap. I ordered enough to do the two front fenders. So what we're going to start off with, we're actually going to, on the side of the molding here, there is a little indentation where the screws go that line up with these obviously. So I'm going to pre-drill these to make it super quick and easy to screw these on. Because once the holes are screwed, you can just look through, bam, put them in. Once you get the first one on, then you got to try and look through where the next one goes. So if I pre-drill the holes, it'll make it easier to see them. Let's get her done. Alright guys, real super quick and easy. Rinse and repeat on the other side of the UTV and we're good to go. Well guys, thanks for coming along today. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos of accessories and stuff we do and where we go and what we do with the Can-Am Defender 6x6. So say remember to like and subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along.